Good morning, America. Good morning, YouTube. Well, we are here on site at another wonderful project. And today has been one ongoing issue after another. All night last night, my refrigerator kept going off saying it was too hot. And then I woke up to water all over the floor. That was the start of, I should have just stayed home. This looks cool, right? Until I go like this. So that's broke. Then I went to go change my windshield wipers this morning. I noticed that I have a ripped turbo tube. Yes, that's black tape, y'all, on a $60,000 truck. There she is. And I don't know what else to do about that, to be real honest with you, other than tape it right now. And order the hose. Diesel mechanic says they got an upgraded hose for that. So, yeah, I should keep old girl a little cleaner. There's some leaves up there. So yeah, there's that. Among other things that are happening today that tend to be a little bit of a problem. Well, moving forward, all this has to come out. We're going to rearrange these flower beds and make the florals a lot better. And we get to use our brand new Kabota. It's going to be a fun one. So we're going to remove the current florals besides these Ixoras. They're going to get moved in a hedgerow out to the front. We're going to plant geraniums, assorted. These florals have kind of bounced back since the last time I was here, but we're also going to bring in some ground enrichment. The ground enrichment is going to be super important for just cultivation, productivity of the botanicals. So these yards are actually really pretty. Sprinklers are on. I got my partner back here. He's getting ready. You can smell the chlorine. He's cleaning these pavers. We're gonna sand and seal them. He's removed all the other stuff that was inside as a courtesy. Working really hard. We're going to get all these weeds out of here and restore this paver patio back to its glory. Yeah, that's super tough. These are going to end up getting rebuilt as well. We're going to recast these, which reminds me to bring the wheelbarrow tomorrow. Alrighty, let's go unload this Kabota. like that, we're locked in. Alrighty. Here she is. Still got the plastics on it. Gonna go ahead and do it on or something. Throw this off in the cab. The old cab ski. The traffic around here is crazy. I told him, if you're going to sell me a piece of equipment for that much money, you might as well give me a head. Playing games. Oh, I haven't had my banana. I haven't had my little life water. We'll get there though. So we're going to try to work diligently today, even though I didn't get any sleep. And it seems like everything's going wrong. Straps breaking, turbo tubes, refrigerators. It just goes on and on. I'm going to stay motivated. Well, I'm going to start ripping out this hedge. Oh, look, the sprinklers are on now. It's just going to make for one muddy, muddy mess. All right, we're just going to have to work on it. Oh, man. Key of today is sleep. By hand, I definitely would still be doing this. I don't care how much longer it took. I definitely would still be doing this by hand. And I feel like even though they made a mess, I still have to take these flowers out by hand. But even though it made a mess, I think that mess is quite minimal. How long is this minute roll in? Less than 30 minutes? Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. Well, I'm gonna get the blower out, clean this up. Already making the good money. How many hours we got on it? 2.6. Not too shabby. All right, and we'll grab. You got 6 of them, and then we're gonna get 6 of these. So we're gonna liven up the bed for the customer. We're out here in the middle of nowhere at a wonderful nursery. And this boy's gonna pick out the bangers. Look at all these flowers that are on these that haven't even busted yet. Like this one. Whew, a gang of flowers on that one. It looks like they're just now coming into bloom, so that's great. This one's a nice one. Yank. Oh, this one's a nice one too. Yank. How many you got, brother?
Seven.
We can have an odd one. If anything, one of us will keep one for the house. So now we got to find some larger Ixoras and drive around this place and figure out, because I know that they're over there, but I want bigger ones. So for that, we must drive. And try not to lose these plants. Yeah, I put my hand back here. Ooh, ballway. See, those are nice right there, but they're not big enough. As soon as we put it in the ground, it's going to look tiny. Oh, they had a couple large ones on the back. I don't know where they got them from. How do they even get them out of there? I don't see them in there. Keep going, brother.
All right, those back there.
Hibiscus, it looks like.
The tall orange and purple stuff.
I don't know, but those are cool. Oh, we lost Ed. He's gone. He's gone, bro. You know, it'd be nice if they had names on the shit. There's too many, too many plants.
They kind of look like this with that purple flower.
There's some more Ixoras in there, but they're not big enough. I need bigger plants.
I think that's where she might have gotten them from.
No. No. Whew, son, look at that. That wheel well. Go ahead, take off one time, cuz. Oh, dude, you're gonna do a wheelie with that thing. Oh, all right, so we're loaded down.
That's a nice tree.
Of course it's a nice tree. All right.
And that's like a picture perfect palm tree right there.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's Eugenia topiary. Big money. Big money.
Yeah, they got a pin on it.
Yeah, let me just pick them all up right now.
Yeah, they got a pin on
Yeah,
it.
we're going to fit all this in the back of my truck. Yes, we are.
Everywhere. I know we are.
Even if we got to make room in the cab, we're going to do it. I'll put some baby flowers in the cab, whatever. Well, my boy in it. Remember, that thing go back there now. Oh, you in it. You in it. You in it to win it. Oh, he coming. Oh, God. He almost did it. Did it really? Go back. Try it again.
Nah, bro.
He said, nah, bro.
Fucking plan.
You just did the wheelie. Come on back, brother. Straight back. Whoa. Woo. I'm glad I dropped it. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Ooh. Alrighty.
What bushes are we getting?
Dude, these golf carts are getting whacked. We're just gonna grab like 10 of... But that tire looks like it's gonna get busted. How come everywhere we go, we always try everything to the limits? Yeah, we just, whatever the greenest, bushiest bush to go around all those pipes are, which looks right up here. The Kalusha, they didn't want that. But any something evergreeny, like this right here, or that right there. Already, day one's in the bag. All the weeds are gone out of this. Tomorrow, we're just letting it dry. Tomorrow we'll come back with the polymeric and some sealer. These still need to be fixed. So probably bring in a little bit of base. Alrighty. So we ripped out all the florals there. And we already started with the pot arrangement. I'm gonna have to pick these up and they're gonna get hurt. It turned out pretty good. Good enough to where we went and got a whole bunch more. So that's left bare. Told the customer it'd be an additional to add some more florals into here. This Exora got moved over here, and we're kind of just flowing that into a nice hedge row. All that'll go in tomorrow. Evergreens going in right here, which hides the utility really, really well, I think. See all these utilities that are in here. Before, the plant that they had in there did not look that well. Kabota looking lovely on the trailer. So, trip number 2, we brought back 2 evergreens and decided to exchange for some more florals. So obviously you get more bang for your buck with this than you do with 2 of those. So they're quite expensive, but they do their job. Instead of waiting for them to grow, you already got them right on staff. And while I'm there, I picked up a beautiful braided bougainvillea and a lemon tree for my personal assortment. We're gonna get out of here for today. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Sanded, sealed, and reset. Fresh sand and seal. Looking gorgeous. Come back here tomorrow and put all their patio furniture back in. Alrighty. Florals are in. Evergreens are in. Those actually went in pretty well. This whole nightmare is redone. All brand new drip hose is done. We even added an additional like 300 foot of drip hose. Not 300 foot, probably about an extra 150 foot of drip hose into this. Overall, not a bad build. For a landscaping build, this was not a bad build. The weather was terrible. The weather was unbearable. Night and day difference from this place. We also fixed the timer. I'll have to come back in a week to do some more work back here. Sorry, I'm trying to put paperwork in my pocket. All this got brand new leaky hose. You can tell where the mulch was put down is where the leaky hose was reburied and tied into the zone right here. The pavers were finished, restacked. All of the patio furniture was put back in. Just wow difference. We'll probably come back in a week and resolve this. Rip all this out. This was done as well. Nice and tight. Super sealed. I mean, just pretty good service all the way around. We're gonna grab our bucket. Call this one a lick job. Done dollar. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Comments in the bottom. We'll try to answer them when we can. Till the next one.